Hey, today I'm on a brand new 2015 Bluebird Vision. This bus has a date of manufacture of May 2014, so probably newest you're gonna get. Still got plastic over the gauges here. If you look over here, got all your switches for normal operation. Your master switch for the lights, activation for the warning lights, and your service door switch, open and close. Got your controls over here for the heating system. Switches over here for the fans. Got your gear shift over here, the parking brake, exterior light check switch. And over here you have your emergency release, which one thing I find interesting about these is when you turn the air back on, it actually opens the door instead of closing it, which most of the buses I've been on, it's the opposite. When you turn the air on, the door closes. So yeah, definitely different than the Internationals I'm used to, but this is a really cool bus. Thanks for watching.